We are here at the Pacific Ocean, from Central Oregon to the Pacific Ocean. I don't know how well you can see that. We're here to go fishing. It's pretty hard to see so far away from it yet. The world's largest ocean, the Pacific Ocean. And then there's the lighthouse. This is the lighthouse. We're going to take a tour in the lighthouse. I was in this lighthouse way before, many years ago, way before it became a popular tourist attraction. I used to live over here on the coast, and then I moved to Central Oregon. But yeah, that's the lighthouse. You can see that the lights are still going. They go, I think, all the time. I'm going to try and get a video of them at night so you can see the lights at night. But yeah, pretty hard to see. But yep, there's the Pacific Ocean. This is nothing but a tourist attraction now, like I said before. I used to live here. Jetties and everything. I don't think you can see the jetty very well. But this is the jetty. I don't know how well you can see that being so far away. So I gotta go. This is just a short.